And what about the Fujifilm X-T1 in 2019? Let's find out.
Hi everyone, in this short video I'd like to talk about the X-T1, which I call it X-T Classic. Like the 5D1 Classic from Canon, it's a great camera with insane low price. You can find it in eBay or Adorama, new or in great condition, topped at $300 to $500 US. I bought mine with kit lens for $1,800 in 2015 and still use it till now along with my Fuji X-T2 for wedding, portrait, family sessions and inside studio sometimes. It's first flagship camera from Fuji. It has 16 megapixel external sensor with my favorite color, even nicer than X-T2. It's good for portrait and wedding. It has 8 FPS, but I don't recommend it for sport as X-T2 and X-T3 is way better in focusing fast. Shoots full HD movie also, but don't recommend it as well because the video is not good as X-T2 or X-T3. And here are some sample images taken with this camera with variable lenses. What makes Fuji strong is the prime lenses, in my opinion. Reasonably priced, fast and great color rendition. So consider buying the X-T1 and invest in some great lenses like 56mm 1.2 or 90mm f2, especially if you shoot people, and the great 16mm f1.4 or the 23 f1.4 for street or people outside. It's way better than the X-T3 with kit lens. The ergonomic of the camera is great for still, and the battery life also good, but you need an extra battery or two. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon, and hit the bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Have fun.